Hi, this is Victoria, and I'm going to show you my game here today that I created. Um, so starting out with my project, I wasn't totally sure what I wanted to do. Um, I knew I wanted to create kind of an adventure game, or like a free roaming concept of a game, which is kind of what I did. Um, I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to execute that or what I wanted to do. Um, One thing, and you'll see here, is I set my player up to carry a gun, but I never ended up integrating one. Um, Mostly because I wasn't sure what I wanted him to be able to do. Um, but I was able to get the setup for it. So if I did want that, it was possible. Um, as you can see, like on the screen here, um, my map is fully loaded. You can see all the mountains, the trees, the grass. I chose to pick a summer setting since it's summer. I'm not gonna jump into winter or anything. Been sick of that. But yeah, I'll play this for you. So one thing you can see right away is the directional light in my shadow. When I click on it, you can see when I move around, that kind of follows me. So that was something I had a lot of trouble with trying to figure out. Um, but I was finally able to do it. And you can also see like the sun, and the sky. That was the atmospheric fog that I had talked about in my memo. But we'll kind of go ahead with this. So by pressing W, that's what makes my player walk forward. Pressing spacebar, he can jump. Um, and then my mouse, I can look around anywhere I want. But then if I press shift, I can go ahead and I can jog. I can jump up while jogging, which is pretty cool. And then I can also just crouch. I can walk forward, backward, side to side. Um, and again, we can do all that with the jogging feature as well, which is pretty cool. One thing that I wasn't quite able to figure out is actually allowing my player to be able to um, climb the mountains. Um, I'll kind of show you here. For some reason, it put up a barrier. So like I'm pressing forward, like I'm pressing W to move forward, and it won't allow me to. Because for some reason. So that's something I would continue to work on. Um, but overall, I'm really proud of my game and everything I was able to accomplish with it. I think it looks really good. Um, and yeah, I was really excited I was able to do this. It really allowed me to be creative, specifically with my map. Um, One thing, like I had mentioned before, is when I continue to work on this, I'll probably go ahead and download a couple of the packages that will allow me to give my character facial features, clothing, things like that. Um, but it wasn't feasible for this project to get that done. Um, but overall, yeah, I was very happy with this, and I think my game has a lot of potential to become something great. So I'm really excited to get to continue to work on this. But yeah,